Pioneers, something is changing inside Pi Network. And this time, the signal is coming from where it matters most, the Pi wallet. Smart contract activity is now drawing attention, and what we are seeing could reveal a much bigger picture. You're watching Pi News World. Let's break down what this development really means and what could be coming next. According to information currently circulating within the Pi community, a smart contract function called Server Auto Release has reportedly appeared inside the Pi wallet, showing Pleasure 56.25 test Pi with a timestamp of August 27, 2026 at 1300 WAC. This is interesting because smart contracts can automatically execute actions when specific conditions are fulfilled. They can become the foundation for decentralized applications, automated transactions, marketplaces, digital assets, and financial services. For Pi Network, this technology could potentially support major ecosystem developments, including DEX platforms, launchpads, decentralized applications, and greater real-world utility. Imagine a future where a transaction can be executed automatically according to transparent blockchain rules, without requiring someone to manually approve every step. That is where smart contracts become especially powerful. And this is why the wallet activity is attracting attention. If developers are moving closer to integrating smart contract functionality, it could create new possibilities for how applications interact with Pi and deliver useful services to pioneers. But there is an important point every pioneer should understand. The appearance of contract activity or test Pi inside a wallet does not automatically confirm that every smart contract feature is already fully operational on mainnet. Development and testing can happen before an official public release. However, if this activity is genuinely connected to Pi's ongoing infrastructure development, it could represent another meaningful step toward a more advanced ecosystem. Another date attracting attention is September 15, 2026, reportedly associated with the planned mainnet rollout of Protocol 27. So, what should pioneers watch for? The real story is not simply the 56.25 test Pi transaction. The bigger question is what this infrastructure could eventually enable. If smart contracts become fully integrated, developers could have more powerful tools to build applications around Pi, potentially expanding payments, decentralized trading, tokenized assets, marketplaces, and other forms of utility. This could also make the Pi ecosystem more connected, allowing different applications to interact through blockchain-based rules and creating a smoother experience for users. That is why the next updates could be extremely important. At the same time, we should remain responsible. Progress is not the same as final confirmation. Pioneers should follow official information, verify technical claims, and avoid making financial decisions based only on rumors or screenshots. If smart contracts eventually become a fully functioning part of Pi's mainnet ecosystem, it could mark a significant chapter in Pi Network's evolution and potentially give developers a new foundation for building real utility. So the question remains, are we watching the early signs of Pi's next major expansion? The coming developments may give us the answer. Pioneers, the first signal may have opened a much bigger question. What happens when smart contracts move from testing into real ecosystem utility? You're watching Pi News World, and in Part 2, we're going deeper into what this development could mean for Pi Network's next stage. The appearance of smart contract activity inside the Pi wallet has created an important conversation among pioneers. But looking beyond the transaction itself, there is a bigger question. What can this technology actually unlock? A smart contract is not simply a transaction. It is programmable blockchain logic that can perform actions based on predefined conditions. That means developers could potentially create systems where payments, exchanges, digital assets, and other activities happen automatically according to rules written into the contract. For Pi Network, This could be especially significant because the ecosystem already includes a wallet, applications, developers, and a growing community of users. If smart contract functionality becomes fully available on mainnet, developers could have more powerful tools to connect these different parts together. One possible area is decentralized trading. A DEX could potentially allow users to exchange supported assets through blockchain-based contracts, rather than depending entirely on a centralized platform. Another possibility is a launchpad, where new projects could introduce tokens or applications using smart contract infrastructure. Then there is the marketplace economy. Imagine buying a digital product or service where the payment and delivery conditions are controlled automatically by a contract. The goal would be to reduce unnecessary friction while making transactions more transparent and programmable. But there is still a major difference between potential and actual functionality. Pioneers should not assume that every application or feature being discussed is already ready for public mainnet use. The technology must be properly tested, secured, and officially supported before users can confidently depend on it. Security is especially important. Smart contracts control digital assets and transactions, so even a small coding mistake can create serious problems. That is why development, testing, audits, and official verification matter just as much as the excitement surrounding new features. This is also why Protocol 27 is attracting attention. With September 15, 2026, reportedly being associated with the planned mainnet rollout, the community will be watching closely for concrete evidence of what changes actually become available. The most important thing will be what developers and users can really do, not simply what people expect to happen. And that is where our analysis at Pi News World comes in. The strongest signal would be a transition from testing activity toward publicly usable infrastructure, where developers can build, applications can interact with contracts, and pioneers can experience genuine utility. If that happens, Pi could enter a different phase of development. Instead of asking only when certain features will arrive, the conversation could shift toward what developers are building with them. That could be the beginning of a much larger ecosystem. But until official information confirms each stage, pioneers should remain patient and analytical. Do not confuse screenshots with guarantees. Do not confuse speculation with announcements. And never make financial decisions simply because a new technical development looks exciting. The opportunity may be significant, but responsible participation is just as important. So, as we continue watching the wallet, smart contract infrastructure, and Protocol 27, one thing is clear. The next phase of Pi Network could depend less on promises and more on what the technology can actually deliver. This is Pi News World. We will continue following the signals, examining the developments, and separating genuine progress from speculation. Stay informed. Stay patient. Keep verifying. Because sometimes the smallest technical update can reveal the beginning of something much bigger.